Hello guys, we're in the office now, and it's still kind of hot in here. I think I would put on the fan. Okay, no, that's too high, that's too high, that's too high. I'm gonna lower it down, but got our flashlight. Our flashlight. Work and make sure no one breaks in from Dave. Okay. Fire. It's a banging noise, guys. I'm gonna do this video again at night. Guys, do you know what the banging is? I actually don't know. Oh, good. What the heck? Guys, you know what's happening here? Why is the light flickering? Okay, guys. Shout out to Beans Eater. Not the dude that's going against my goose, but shout out to him. Oh crap, the light's off again. Alright, so I've been here for 3 minutes. I'm gonna end the video here and wrap it up. So I'm gonna do this again at night, and it's gonna be cool. So yeah, so stick up to that. I'll be live streaming. So yeah, bye and have a great time.